Hey everybody, welcome to Thinking Nation's Best Practice Repository. Today we are going to talk about having the students make do first predictions. Thinking Nation uses the prediction strategy prior to the do first or the warm-up activities for students. The students are given a text, a picture, or a chart and are asked to make a prediction. This can be done on a sheet of paper or an index card. Here's an example of a do first prediction created by the Thinking Nation curriculum team. This one is on the American Revolution. The students were asked to predict how the colonists and British soldiers might react to the initial clashes of the war. Some students might say things like, I think the American soldiers might feel scared because they are fighting trained soldiers. Another student might say, I think some of the British soldiers might feel they don't want to die so far away from home. Here's another example. The students are given a visual and some context for the visual. Then they are asked to predict why the Spanish were able to conquer so many formidable empires. Some students might say, I think they were able to conquer so many people because they had the best weapons available. Another student might say, I think they were able to do this because they had the largest army. As students learn more throughout the unit, they are able to confirm or revise their predictions. Some predictions can be confirmed or revised immediately, while others might have to be confirmed or revised at the end of the unit. The key is to come back to the predictions once new information is presented. Thank you for watching.